Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these turquoise nails. So I have my nails filled, prepped, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is from Light Elegance. This is Jack and Jill. It is this beautiful teal sort of color. I feel like I always go back to this color around September. I think last year I did a nail design with this color around this time of year too. But I'm going to apply it on my pinky as well as my middle finger. This next color we're going to use is What the Hail. This is from Light Elegance's new fall collection. I will leave a link down below for swatches of that collection. But we're going to apply this on the ring finger and the thumb. This next color is Light Gold Leaf. This is from Beanie Beauty Box. And I'm going to apply this on my pointer finger. And now we're just going to go back in and do a second coat of all of the colors. I'm really enjoying this color scheme I ended up picking out. I feel like even without the design on it, just these colors together are super pretty, and I feel like it's a good end of summer, beginning of fall type of color scheme. So now I'm going to go in and create that turquoise nail design. I'm going to be using Sally Hansen's Black to Black, just regular polish for this. So I'm going to use this technique I had seen a long time ago back when water marbling was popular. So same concept, you have a cup of water and you drop polish into it, but instead of marbling it and then dipping your nail in, you spray either alcohol or water. In this case I used alcohol and kind of dispersed it, and it gives it this veiny type of texture, and it's perfect for turquoise nails. So as you can see, it did take me a few different tries to get this, and I am just using a old straw just to clean up the excess polish in the cup. And here I'm going in and breaking up a lot of that black because there were a few spots I just wanted to touch up and add on both the fingers. And so I only needed a little bit of the black, so that's why I kind of dispersed it up there. And you can see me struggling with the pinky because of the angle of the camera, I couldn't get my finger into the cup in the angle I wanted it to. So once you're happy with how the turquoise design came out, you're going to take a Clean It brush and acetone and clean up all of that polish around the skin. Another good technique, which I completely forgot about till just now as I'm watching and editing the video, is you could have used a latex barrier, so that way you could just peel that off and not have to deal with the cuticle cleanup and all that, but I didn't think about it. Now I'm going in and taking some of that light gold leaf in a detailing brush, and I'm just adding little bits of gold accents into the turquoise. So I'm just kind of following the jagged lines that were already created and just adding some accents of that gold to create this perfect turquoise sort of art. And I love the metal leaf gels. They are perfect for nail art. They are super pigmented and perfect for adding little sparkles of glitter. And now I'm going to go in and add some bling. So I'll be using my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. I love this stuff for gems. And then the crystals I'm going to be using is graphite, which is kind of a black gray, and then the metallic light gold. So on the gold nail, I'm just putting an accent of 3 of the gold crystals. And on the gray nails, I'm going to add a bigger crystal cluster. So I start off with a big one right in the middle, and I kind of switch between graphite and the metallic light gold, I think that's what it's called, and just create a nice cluster right in the middle. And so here are how the nails are looking, and now it's going to be time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here are how the nails came out, and I absolutely love this set. Like, I want to wear this set forever, and I always want to change my nails. I did both hands matching. That's how much I love this set. I love the color scheme. I love just everything about it. And I had never tried that technique before with the water and doing the turquoise, but somehow I remembered it from way back in the day. I don't know who came up with that, but I had it somewhere deep in my brain and I tried it out, and it works really nicely for that turquoise effect. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!